Right, one back to the Interseasons video. Going to do a bit of an events and festivals roundup. Going to have a look at the rest of the weekend, this weekend, but the Le Mans rally in France, and then we're going to go on to next weekend, have a look at the Glastonbury Festival and the weekend of the British Grand Prix as well next weekend. And then the final weekend we're going to look at is the first weekend of July, which covers the Brentwood Festival and the Wimbledon's final weekend. So lots of events and festivals going on, important time of year. So let's have a look at Le Mans first of all. Let's have a look at Le Mans down in France for tomorrow, Saturday the 22nd of June. And we've got a little ridge of high pressure there across France, but low pressure over British Isles, very deep low pressure by the way, is bringing a weather system down into France, into that slight ridge of high pressure. So the suggestion here is that we've got a lot of cloud across France tomorrow, possibly producing little bits of rain. I don't think it's going to amount to too much. The colours here suggest that it's only very light rain, if any at all. But certainly quite a lot of cloud around, and temperatures will be on the disappointing side to just the mid to upper teens, maybe just into the low 20s if you're lucky. Go through to Sunday, and we're going to see weather systems coming down into France a little bit more active. So I think we're finding quite a bit of rain there across central parts of France, central northern France for Sunday, suggesting that Le Mans could well be affected by rain on Sunday. There's going to be chilly northerly wind as well, so very disappointing temperatures just into the mid to upper teens once again, with cloud and rain. So not particularly inspiring for the rest of the Le Mans event. This is going to be the last video I do on that, obviously, because it's tomorrow. So thanks for supporting GasWeatherVids.com. Thanks for asking me to do the videos. If you found them interesting, hope you have. And just enjoy the event, really, and hopefully we'll do it all again next year. Going on to Glastonbury then, and this is running from the 27th to the 30th of June. We find high pressure ridging in to the south and to the southwest of the country on Thursday the 27th of June on today's GFS 12 o'clock run anyway. And it's going to be mainly dry for Thursday the 27th, a lot of anticyclonic influences there. We are bringing weather systems into the north, producing cloud and rain, but the south is mainly dry. Quite warm as well, with temperatures up to around 21, 22, very pleasant sort of Thursday. Going through to Friday the 28th of June, again it's the same idea, the Azores high is ridging to the south of the country, low pressure up to the north, so it's mainly dry again. This is actually suggesting we could be bringing some sort of weather system down, but it'll be very weak if it amounts to anything at all. Basically it's dry again for Friday the 28th, and again it's pretty warm with temperatures into the low 20s. For Saturday the 28th of June, high pressure again is just to the southwest, perhaps bringing the weather system into the north and the west of the country, so that could be producing a little bit more in way of rain perhaps on Saturday. I don't think it'll be a washout, but it could be a little bit of rain around on Saturday, certainly losing the sunshine, and temperatures again somewhere into the low to upper teens, maybe just heading into 20 degrees, so a little bit cooler on Saturday. Sunday the 30th, final day of Glastonbury, and this will be the day of British Grand Prix at Silverstone. A suggestion there again, it's wet for the north, but mainly dry for England, whereas that high pressure close by, and temperatures again somewhere in the upper teens to the low 20s. So that's a pretty good update from the GFS model for Glastonbury and Silverstone. Some unsettled weather around at times, but by no means a washout, and basically dry weather is dominating much of the period. So that's really good, I think a good update for anybody interested in Glastonbury and Formula 1. Finally, having a look at the first weekend of July. This encompasses the Brentwood Festival and the finals weekend at Wimbledon. And this is right at the extended end of the GFS model, so it's at the unreliable end of the GFS model, but this is showing low pressure dominating for Friday the 5th of June. Would be a case of showers and longer spells of rain, pretty cool. Low pressure still dominating on Saturday the 6th. And Sunday the 7th, very much in situ over the top of the country by Sunday the 7th of July, producing no doubt a lot of heavy rain, very cool temperatures and disappointing weather indeed. But it's right at the extended end of the GFS run, so don't worry about it too much. We'll look at it more as it comes into the reliable time frame. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.